I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to look Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE 100 and Germany 40, how these four instruments are going to behave throughout this day before the US cash session starts. And yes, before the US cash session, I have another video for you specifically for Dow Jones, Nasdaq and gold. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and we'll try to see the trading behavior of these instruments with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. We'll try to find out the entries, we'll try to find out the targets. So please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's start the day with Nasdaq 100 first. See, on the 4-hour charts, higher highs have been seen here and it has tried to trade above 13500 level. At the same time, there is a strong support now at 13240. So if you see it trading below 13240, then you can go short, else till the time it is beyond 13240, rather I'll say take 13200. If you see it trading below 13200 today, then only you can go short, else it may try to rise a bit again towards 13400 13500 levels. Now this is just on the 4-hour chart. 4-hour stochastic is near to overbought. MACD lines are wide and divergent. RSI looking comfortable there. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, see 3-hour charts getting a little resistance here at 13320 levels. These are the levels at which we have seen it getting multiple times resistance multiple times. So probably from here, if it tries to drop, it may try to come back till towards 13240, and beyond that it may try to drop till towards 13200. So that is why I say 13200 is going to remain a very strong support for US 100 for any further drop. If it drops below 13200, then only one can expect a sharper move on the downside. On the contrary, yes, if it trades above 13350, yes, you can go long. In between 13200 13350, it may try to swing a bit. 3-hour stochastic looking downwards, MACD running parallel, running in green. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, see 2-hour charts consistently it is giving higher lows and higher highs, and hence that is why this is important. If it trades till the time it trades about 13250 and 13200, we have to remain bullish. Probably it may try to achieve higher highs towards 13400 13500 13600 zone, and MACD is trying to converge from here, so I will be cautious. Now look at the day. On the daily chart, it appears it may try to give you greener candle, and which might try to take it towards at least 13500 levels or 13480 levels. It may try to achieve, that is what it appears. However, at the same time, if you see it trading below 13200, there you can go short. Below 13200 the drop is going to be sharper, and we can expect it to drop again till towards 13000 and below levels. So I'll be watchful and cautious there. And probably, see, previous candle lower highs have been achieved, and yes, this time also I will be cautious till 13200. So any short entry is below 13200. Till the time it trades above this zone, above 13250 zone, we can expect that it may try to hit 13400. In fact, it can try to rise till towards 13500 levels. So trade accordingly. With the stop loss at 13250, one can remain long right now it appears, and short entry is only below 13200. Daily stochastic looking upwards, MACD trying to converge. It was trading in red. It may try to give you a greener candle, hence probably a bullish day can be expected. RSI is now looking upwards, so take your positions accordingly. Don't trade between 13200 and 13 rather I will say 13200 and 13350 levels. In between these 150 points, we have to be a little bit cautious. Yes, also you, whenever you see it coming at 13250, you can again try to initiate a long entry. Till the time it remains above 13250, one can expect it to achieve higher highs, may try to provide 13400 and 13480 levels. These two targets may get achieved, and beyond that also it may try to remain strongly bullish. So take your position and trade with caution. Don't below 13200, we may see a sharper red candle which will try to take it to below 13000 levels again. So take a short entry at 13200 and trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at US30. Similarly with US30, on the daily charts, lower highs, hence one can only go long here at 34000 above levels. Once it trades above 34000, you can go long. One can expect a sharper rise. This time it might try to break 34100. At the same time, breaking 33800, yes, you can go short. In between 33000 to 34000, 33800 to 34000, don't take a position. Eliminate this 200 points. Below 33800, the target is going to be towards 33500 levels. So below 33800, one can take a short entry for 33500 levels. On the upside, yes, if it breaks 34000, we can expect a sharper rise towards 34200 300 zone, and there is a little resistance at around 34,100 for sure. We have seen it several times. 34,100 200 zone has provided little resistance, but yes, with the stop loss at 34,000, if you try to enter, you can remain long. And on the downside, yes, there could be a sharper drop below 33,800, where you can expect 33,650 first target, 33,500 next target. Daily stochastic looking upwards, MACD trying to converge here. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, there is a very strong support now at 33,650, and yes, we have seen it consolidating in this zone, now trying to rise. However, lower highs is what we have seen, and hence, yes, if you see it trading beyond 34,000 now, you can take a long entry. One can expect 34,100, and then 34,150 with the pivot at 34,150, one can expect a sharper rise towards 34,300 also. On the downside, one can take a short entry at 33,800. Below that, one can expect 33,650, 33,500, and below that, we can see a sharper drop towards 33,350 zone, which is going to remain a little supportive zone. So take your positions accordingly. This is all for US 30. Now let's have a look at Germany 40. Similarly, Germany 40 trading above this critical support at 14,100. This is going to remain a fairly strong resistance zone for Germany to break, and if it trades and sustains above this zone, I'll expect it to be bullish, and the next target is going to be somewhere here at 14,180, 14,200 zone. Beyond that, it may rise strongly towards 14,250 levels, which may provide a little resistance. Now look at this. This zone is important again, and the next consolidation zone was here. So yes, if it sustains above 14,100 here, one can remain long once it is sustains above 14,100. So rather you can take a position at 14,120, and beyond 14,120, one can always expect that it may try to hit 14,180, 14,220, and then it will fly towards 14,350, 400 zone also. So take your positions accordingly in between 14,120 and 14,000 levels. Don't trade below 14,000 is only where I will recommend you to go short. Then the 13,800 is the target. Looking upwards on the daily charts, stochastic MACD trying to converge and crossover. This is what is the call. So take your positions accordingly. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Don't forget to press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest analysis. Thank you.